Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread. This one is for Sharon. Sharon, thank you for being a patron this month. She requested a dog spread and I have this Valentine, I think this is a Valentine book, or it came in a Valentine Be Happy box. But it's got dogs in it. I think it's one of the only books that I have that has dogs in it. So this is the one I'm going to use. We got some cute little puppies here. So I'm going to use this mainly just for the dogs. I'm not really going to use much else from here. I have some floral sticker books. I have boxes, that kind of stuff. I really like these florals. I feel like these go. Yeah. Look how cute. They're cute. Okay, I'm just going to start sticking things down. And then I can go from there. So I'm going to pull just the sheet from here and just start placing things. This is a big sticker. And then I'll figure out boxes in a bit. But yeah, got this piece. I'm just going to stick it here. Get this spread going. A little bit off of here. All right, and then I got the cute little doggies. This one's cute. It's like hiding. They're hiding in the flowers. Oops. Okay. I feel like the colors kind of go. At least those pinks are like a perfect match. So that's what I'm going with for this one. Put some. Kind of like under him. Garden, I guess, hiding out. All right, so we got one doggy on the spread. Looks good. I do have this book. I'm really liking using this book because it's really cute. I'll put Joy next to him. It's got orange in the floral, so I can bring in some of the orange. Oops. Okay, that works. And then we can grab some boxes from here. This double box. It's got like some of the neutral tones, so I think this will work. And then boxes. Oh, you know what? Let me go in this book. I really love this page. Probably don't have much though. Well, I kind of do. Okay, I'm gonna go with this combo because I think it's pretty. Cool. And I could stick another dog up here. See the other little dogs I have. I have some on their own that I can do. Try to do one that looks a little different. This one's cute. So little. We'll have him here. Look how cute he is. Adorable. Okay, I got some flowers. Stick some flowers over here. cuteness. Okay. And then maybe like a circle sticker or something to layer. Let's see what I can find. These say dream it, plan it, do it. Stick that in there. And ooh, these are nice too. Oh, I can stick some of these. These are nice. Okay. Fill your heart with goodness. Think up here. All right, let me get some more boxes on the spread. Maybe some of these would be nice down here. Okay. I could do another flower. I think I'm gonna do this one. Sometimes, like, when you stick random things together, I don't know. I always like the way it looks. Very unique, too, so love that as well. I'm gonna stick some of these little flags, page flags, or I use them like bullet points on the spread. A couple here and there would be good. Oh, this page looks pretty. Okay, still not done completely, but for the most part, looks pretty good. Now on this side, I could do some of these blue ones. This big blue one. Oops. All the way over here. Okay, I need to get a box. I'm gonna do this one, but like horizontally. So I want it to be here so I could stick a dog up here. Okay, so that's good there. Let me find a dog. I want to do a dog in the flowers. So one of these. Let's do this guy. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna do another box from this book. These are good. Let's do a tannish one. We got goals. Okay. I'm gonna stick some of these. I don't know if I have more of that color though. It's not. Ooh, this is nice. Big goals. But I think, actually, do I have one? Don't think I have a box for the end. So yeah, I'll probably have to use. Oh, I could do the young ones. Been using this book a lot. This is from the Happy Planner, and it came in a Be Happy box. And I love the stickers in that book, in this book. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this here. for the sidebar. Okay, I need more florals. This is a huge one, so I'll have to figure out how I'm gonna stick this on the page because it's way too big. I kind of want it here, just to get some color down here. Cool. And then I could stick a doggy either here. Maybe I could stick one there. I think he fits here. Yeah, he does. Top of that. And then maybe we can stick one of these guys here. Cute. Okay, I think I have enough little doggies around the spread. So I think I just need some more quotes like these. I really love these. They're just words actually, but I feel like they're just so nice in a spread. Let's do, it's just nice to have like nice words around the spread. So let's do encourage. Let's hope it fits actually. Encourage. Oops. Okay, that works. And let's do, I want to do a word over here. We'll do priority. Oh, it doesn't fit. Okay, not that word. I could do, oops. You want me to do relax. It's the weekend, so we'll put relax. Cool. I like that. Pretty. Okay, let's stick some blue flowers on this side too. I need some of these kind of stickers. Little flags. Where are they? This one. Oh, go. Oh, and I need this kind of sticker too on the other side. Stick that one there, and then I can do this like orangey toned one here. And then let's do one of these words. This one says, "You were made for this." So I'm just going to stick it down here. Oops, going into the dog's foot. Okay, at least I got the word. Something similar. All right, this side looks good. Oh, I need like one of these. Okay, no, I can't fit anything else. It's kind of a lot going on, but I love it. There's space to write, so that's good. Yeah, there's space to write. I always worry about that, but I think it should be fine. Stick more of these these cute blue flowers around. Ooh, maybe another like circle sticker would be good. And these little tiny ones. Let's see. Let's do right now here. It's nice and tiny. This one says go all in. We'll just stick that here. Get a circle sticker on that side. Okay, I think that's it. How adorable is that? I love it. All right, so that's gonna be my spread for Sharon. Sharon, I hope you like your spread, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see more, yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But yeah, I hope to see you in the next video.